Welcome to Funded.now, the ultimate hub for futures prop traders. On Funded.now, you can compare prop firms side by side, account to account, firm to firm, with powerful filters that help you find the exact account that fits your strategy. Trade micros? Hate consistency rules? Want EOD drawdown? Just set the filters and find your perfect match in seconds. You can also use built-in tools like the consistency rule calculator, lot size calculator, and drawdown simulator to plan before you risk real capital. Check which prop firms are available in your country, track your trading expenses, and stay updated with the economic calendar. All in one place. Stop guessing. Start choosing smart. Go to Funded.now and find the prop firm that fits you.
Hello, guys. Hello. I didn't send accounts for guys. Sorry, I just washed my hair. I'm so sorry about this. I forgot to do this morning. My bad. See? It's okay. Sorry about this look, but no choice. I just did it too late. Yeah, nice pictures, guys. Tradify accounts. Oh, I did not send. I completely forgot about this. My bad, guys. Oh, because I left too early. Yeah. My bad. Totally my fault. I'm gonna fix this just right now. It was April 17, right? Damn, Dasha. What's wrong with you? Check your email right now. Yeah, I sent it. My bad. I forgot. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you guys? How was your weekend? I just started, so like I started 2 minutes ago. It was good trip. Yes, it was good. It's it's so hot in Miami, like comparing to where I live. I live in Florida, just 3 hours away from Miami, but it feels so different. Guys, my hair wet right now. If you want to ask me, I'm so sorry about this. I just washed them. You met me in the event. I mean, I don't know usernames, YouTube usernames. So that's my bad. But yeah, nice to meet you. Do you have a person? Yeah. I sent. Let me send PDF again about strategy I trade. I mean, I have video about this, but in case you want to, like, print this, read this. Here's guys. This link works or not? Can you please check for me? Yeah, working. I didn't think about that. Like, I'm not going to discuss politics, news, because I have a question. Could someone please tell me if raffle entry for the account only needs to be filled? So you need to fill just every single day because it's different type of accounts. Yeah, photo is good. Like, seriously, I enjoyed this. Link works. Thank you. Yeah, we will do analysis right now. I was waiting for people to join. Just don't want to repeat this 4 or 5 times. So I'm waiting for people to join and we will start analysis. Guys, we will start probably weekly outlook simply because I didn't have time to do this yesterday because I was driving home. But we will start analysis on NQ, on gold, on ESYM, oil, SPX. Oh, RTY maybe as well. 1 second. I need to add RTY. Oh, I have RTY here. Forgot. We will start analysis on every single asset today. Futures asset. Okay. If you guys want, if we have time, we can do Forex pair as well. It's not a problem. Just let me know. If we're going to have time until 9:30, okay? Yeah, it was nice to see you. Yeah. Our Friday trade, guys, play out. Play out. It didn't look so good, you know, but I like it. Oh, yeah, I remember you. Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah, I remember your face. Giveaway entry doesn't work. Guys, can someone check giveaway link? Does it work or not? I see 54 entries already, so it should be good. Can you please like try different browser maybe? Was a quick hi. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that's weird. Try different browsers sometimes. Sometimes it's like that, so... First time here, welcome. We trade in everything. Like everything. But futures. Where's Frank? Frank, your turn. Go. We want to see this. Good morning, Daniel. No, Frank, different phrase. About everything, you forgot? Okay, guys, let's start analysis. Let's start with indices because we're going to trade them. Thank you so much, Frank. Appreciate this. So we got huge weekly candle, bullish candle, previous weekly candle, right? So I had 50% of weekly range. So since we have huge range from previous week, I do want to see we go into 50%, at least an attempt to go to 50% of previous weekly range. So definitely looks bullish, and definitely we will go higher this week, simply because, as you can see, remember my weekly draw on liquidity on YM, and it seems like, yeah, we took this, but in reality, nope, it failed, which makes me feel like, well, we will go there. It was 10 points away. We'll go there, guys. We will take previous weekly high again. But overall, talking about this week, I do want to see the trade come back to 50% of the range. And if market wants to stay bullish, and I truly believe like our weekly objective just for now is going to be 27,000 or 72 on NQ and 72.53 on ES. It's my first deviation projections levels based on previous weekly new week opening gap. I'm going to show you like in a moment what I mean by this. But yeah, we're going higher, guys. And if you want to see expansion, you want to see price standing by 50% of previous weekly range, or testing 50%, sweeping this level, we're going higher. Just for now, nothing tells me to say like, well, it's time for reversal. No, nothing tells me this. Even considering news, like, still, I do want to see higher. Nice outfit today. Yeah, it's a bit like oversized, see? I just realized like it's like medium size, then I switched to small size, and in Miami I went to shopping and I was like, let me try small size. It was big. Right now I'm extra small size. I don't think like it's good because all my clothes right now small, but still. Well, guys, we're going higher. I'm going to show you, Daniel, just in one moment. We're going higher, guys. I do want to see be taking previous weekly high again. But once again, I wouldn't mind to see this week, especially first half of this week, manipulation to downside and an attempt to take 50% of... Sorry, guys. An attempt to take 50% of previous weekly range. Once again, in order to be bullish, I really want to see price staying above or sweeping 50% of previous weekly range. And after this, I want to see longs. It's like overall analysis for the week. Let's switch right now on 4 chart to see what we have. Let me delete like old levels. First, trying to feel, well, trying to find maybe SMTs. Did we get any? Well, we got minor SMT at this lows. It's perfectly fine to me. I do like this, I would say. once again, overall this week, I wouldn't mind to see retracement and attempt to take 50% of previous weekly range. And once again, in order to be bullish, we need to stay above this level. We don't want to look for longs below 50%, no way. But yeah, like for this week, I wouldn't mind to see retracements there. For today, bullish. I do like this internal SMT. I do like everything right now. And since we want to trade it somehow, what we want to see? We want to see at the open price retracing down, and we want to see this SMT, double SMT. It's so good. It's amazing for us. We want to see price trying to retrace to 50% of this move up, maybe OT. And we will try to long this. Maybe we'll long before 10 a.m. if it's going to happen. But just for now, if it's going to retrace somewhere here, we'll offer 30 minutes, 50 minutes, we will try to long this. We'll be conservative with targets. It will be the test of all-time high, previous weekly high, something like this. So what we want to say, like, what if I want to short? Like, what scenario I need to have for shorts below OT only? Because if you saw my video, watch my video about OT, you know, like OT of bullish or bearish trend is strong confirmation of continuation. So below wrong tool. Below 70.5%, we want to see shorts. What this blue box means? TJF. So we will see something like that. I don't see the scenario right now. Like, it's not valid. Forget about this. This is what we want to see for now. Let's see if it's going to play out. Oops. Guys, make sense? Same for ES. Exactly same analysis for ES. I do like it's in sync right now. From this low, right now at this high, maybe it will push slightly higher. I don't really care about this, but still. An attempt to retrace to 50% like OT, the test of previous weekly high. We may actually close at rejection block. We will be conservative. Sometimes 4 points makes difference. And shorts below OT too. We actually got TJF on ES, but we will see if it may take afraid the low. One second. OT, optimal trade entries like OTE. Optimal trade. I have video about this on my YouTube channel, by the way. Just go on my YouTube and it calls like OT retracement. Yes, it's interesting, and I do like that we got SMT based on 4 chart, right? I do like this SMT. It's so good right now. And if price wants to stay bullish today, we need to respect OTs somehow. That's what I want to see. For now, I want to see longs. Let's see if we're going to engage. Probably, I don't know, probably long ES or NQ. Kind of middle asset. Why am I middle assets right now? No interest. But maybe, maybe something will change. Who knows? But our long on Friday play out. And actually, our target was high of the day. Because I closed at all-time high. Like, guys, no one was at home. So I was scared to leave my Ninja Trader open. Because you have no idea what can happen. I didn't want to sit and wait. So once it hit all-time high, I said like, well, amazing, perfect buy. See you on Monday. Okay, that's my analysis. Where did we enter? I don't remember. Do I have this on my chart? Where did... Oh, it was our entry. We entered at 740... At 750 probably, right? We got like more than 100 points. I remember this. Because I saw my runner was like with 100 points something. Yeah, I want to see all-time high again. I wasn't scared because, as I said before, like nothing was telling me like, Okay, it's short. Remember? I was like, no way it's going to drop right now. Look at ES, look at YM, no way. Any dashcam idiots? Not really, I guess. I mean, there are stupid people who are driving on left lane, below speed limit, but it's just idiots. Like, no reason to talk about them. Don't worry, guys. No one pulled me over. It's already good, right? That's typical Florida, yeah. That's why no reason to talk about them. Oil. Okay, yeah, let's do oil. So exactly same analysis for oil about previous equilibrium of previous weekly range. Price opened near, yes, typical everywhere, near equilibrium of previous weekly range, but it left this level. So what I would like to see, I wouldn't mind to see, look at this flat. Sorry, guys. So what do you think about this analysis? It's daily chart. I do like this flat candle on daily chart. Is it flat? Yeah, this is flat. Daily flat candle. What I mean by flat candle? Candles that does not have wick. Wickless candle. Dumb. So I wouldn't mind to get something like that. And I want to see this one. And right after this, I want to see this one. Oh, you were trying to trade oil? When? Like London? Well, that's consolidation high time frame right now. Wait a minute, why you decided to trade this? Why? Why? Look at this. It's just garbage. What you were trying to trade? Equilibrium, just from high to low of the week. I open weekly chart and just highlight equilibrium of previous weekly range. Because, well, I don't do this every single week, but let me show you why I did this week. Because look at this trend. Bullish. You love garbage? I mean, me too, but not that garbage. Look at this bullish trend. 1, 2, 3 bullish candles. And normally, by the way, price. Guys, not price. When we have 4 bullish expansion or bearish expansion candles, normally 4th or 5th candle is retracement to downside. That's why I don't mind to see shorts on higher time frame soon. Seriously? Well, at this point, what I would like to see, if I want to see continuation, like it's still bullish trend, nothing tells me right now, okay, Dasha, full port shorts, nothing. So I want to see price staying above 50% of previous candle range. At this point, since we got expansion candles on weekly chart, I want to highlight equilibrium of previous weekly range to see, okay, if I want to stay bullish this week, I need to see price above this level. So it's like turning point for me. That's why I have this on my chart. If price breaking below this level, probably trend is going to be broken. Make sense? Like, I mean, everyone did this. No? Guys, this part about equilibrium of previous weekly range makes sense. It's not about equilibrium of previous weekly range on any time frame, because it's fractal. Well, just at this point, we have perfect example of bullish strong trend on weekly chart. But if you see this on 1 minute chart, idea is the same. Okay? Alright. Let's wait for market open. 6 minutes left, time to connect my accounts. I'm going to trade funded today, in case you want to ask me about this. Da-da-dum. Okay, Tradify. Tradify. 1. Okay, connected. Let me make sure my reader account is the same. Yes. Connected all accounts, guys. Yes, weekly candle. Just go on weekly chart, highlight from top or low to bottom, from bottom to top. It's going to be exactly the same 50%. Yes, yes. I want to drink some water. Let's go. I want to drink some water. No, we're not going to full port, but guys, remember we have same risk, but different contract size based on risk. So, for example, if it's tight stop loss, we can trade mini contract because we want to risk, let's say, I don't know, like let's say $300. If it's going to be big stop loss, we're just going to trade couple of micros. RTY, I forgot about this. 1 second. Let's do this. Same. So about equilibrium of previous weekly range. That's interesting because we have 4 bullish candle, but still analysis is the same. If I want to see continuation higher, where is my over here. If I want to see continuation higher, which level? Remind me just in 2 minutes, okay? If I want to see continuation higher on RTY, I want to see price staying above 50% of previous weekly range, because on weekly chart we have perfect example of bullish, strong bullish trend. So at this point, even if price going to like drop first, and on weekly, maybe on lower time frame it's going to be a huge drop, but in reality it's not going to be a huge drop on weekly chart. It's going to be just formation of a week, right? So if I want to stay bullish, I really, as I said before, I want to see first half of this week retracing lower to form the week. And if it's going to be sweep, or if it's going to be just an attempt to take this level, it's going to like be close to this level, and we can find some levels on medium time frame to see what we have above equilibrium of previous weekly range. I want to stay bullish. I want to see previous weekly high taken and other levels is going to be projections. Let's try to find projections. This one is too much to ask, I guess, but we can do actually 2 standard deviation projection. So what I want to do at this point, I want to measure the very last move down before a reversal. Right now we're going to do this on high time frame, but for short-term targets we will do this on medium time frame. This is how we want to project manipulation leg. The very last move down before reversal, the very last move up before reversal. So, and once again, if I want to see price bullish, I want to see formation of the week. So how candlestick usually forms? Open, high, low, close, or open, low, high, close. So this low forms the week. Look at this ugly circle. But anyway, if it's going to retrace slower for us during first half of the week, I want to see longs. Once again, I'm talking about probably swing ideas. I want to see longs to aim for 2 standard deviation. Why I'm putting standard deviation projections? Because when we're trading above all-time high, previous all-time high, we never have any levels above. It can be like rounded numbers, it can be psychological institutional levels, but I prefer projections. It's just personal preference. Some people use OT extension, also works. But I will use 2 standard deviations as my key level. Let's try to find what we have right above. Let me delete some levels. Right above equilibrium of previous week range. Some liquidity levels. So once again, if I want to see formation of a weekly week, I do want to see an attempt to get to go here and pump here, unless we're going to get like horrible news and we're going to completely flip our bias to bearish below equilibrium of previous weekly range. On CFD, not sure. People, can you help us about CFD? Yeah, some people use imagining. It's really up to you, because like millions options, and I know like lots of people use just OT extension levels. It also works good. So in order to completely flip bias, to say like, okay, maybe it's going to be completely bearish on high time frame, we're going to get first sign of potential reversal on medium and high time frame, we want to do this below equilibrium of previous weekly range, because it's going to start breaking the trend, bullish trend. So that's why I highly recommend to keep 50% of weekly range on RTY, YM, ES, and NQ now to see if it's going to break this, what gonna happen. Can we get a reversal, like full reversal from there or not? Well, I hope it makes sense. Yeah, I was talking about like CFD. CFD. Okay, guys, market is open. Our idea is to look for longs today. Maybe we're gonna take 27,000 today. Who knows? I'm looking for longs. We do have internal SMT over here. It's brilliant for longs. So I connect accounts, right? Yes. Okay, we're gonna wait right now to see if it's going to offer some solid opportunities for us. And today I'm going to stream PM session on TradingView TV, just for your information, at 1:30 PM with girls. Keep making new high. I mean, come on, wait for us. Don't go higher without us. We want to long as well. Trip was okay. Thank you for asking. I like this. So guys, what are we waiting for? We're waiting for a retracement to 50 or 62% of the last move up. I measure it from this low to current high, and I want to see if it's trapping there. It's our ideal plan. Let's see if market is going to listen to me today. Okay, let's see. Nothing to trade yet. Remember, patient space, right? We always kill this when we're waiting for setup. And it's funny because on Friday, remember on Friday, and we didn't get any stops, I guess, on Thursday. I said I woke up with confidence that we're going to kill this today. I woke up with nothing today. Maybe this means no trades? Maybe this means I will feel this later? We will see. We will see. But I hope we always kill these guys, no matter what. Because we're patient enough, we're waiting for our plan to play out. We're the best. Look at NQ. NQ, I mean, you're doing perfect job, but yes, and what I'm trying to do. Maybe I was tired, maybe. But I feel like good right now. Oh, it's looking better right now, right? It's still bad, but better. NQ, just a little bit more. We can long you. Probably, guys, if ES and YM will stay bullish, probably we'll look for longs on NQ, not on ES. But we don't really care about the trade, right? You're trying to long. Well, yeah. Good job, you got nice and good entry. 20 points is... that's a lot. Okay. Nothing for me yet, guys. We're trading model only. No model, no trades. Like, everything can happen. It's nice. It's going... not YM. NQ trying to drop, and I do like this, but at the same time, what I like to trade my model. That's it. I never recommend to copy me, because I can afford to take losses sometimes because I have big accounts already, but some people cannot afford this. They're trying to full port this, thinking like I have 110% win rate strategy. It's not. Sometimes I take losses, so you're trying to copy on your own risk. Just for your information. Mostly micros. You can watch my previous guys streams, you know, like you can see sometimes I trade over than 10 micros because risk is just good for me, but I trade micros. You got in longs at 7:30. Good job, Alex. I still would like to see the retracement to downside a bit more, but once again, this is how I see this. Yeah, we feel the gap, I see. On Q we feel this. I believe on ES as well. On yes, not yet. Let's check SPX, guys. What we're gonna do right now, we're gonna highlight from close to open. And we're gonna highlight... Oh, look at this, 25% hit. Okay, that's good. This means we have room to go higher, but I really want to see some retracement to downside to long this. You know, open 15-minute chart. Look at these up-close candles. I mean, I do like we got SMT right now here, but honestly, looking at ES and YM, I would never ever long this without deeper retracement, but maybe it's me, I don't know. I need to be supported down. I want to long today. It's my solid plan to long today to all-time high and previous weekly high level. Even if we have SMT at lows in this 1 minute OB, because in 3-minute chart we don't have enough information. I don't even want to try to long this yet. It's definitely not enough for me. But my plan is to long and nothing else. But yeah, 15-minute chart looks bad. Well, guys, today after the trip I decided to go on scale and see how much I weighed. So total for 3.5 months, I lost 13 pounds. That's good. I mean, you're probably going to say like nothing changed. Probably you're gonna say this. Of course, you always say this. But it's a lot for me, 13 pounds. Because I never was like, okay, never. I wasn't big like for the last 2 years. You look the same. I told you. My face wasn't like big, but here. Yeah, just wanted to share. Nails like the same, of course. Okay, guys, let's look for longs. Talking about payouts. Guys, I take 95, yes, of my trades on stream, so you can count, you can see. It's up to you. Only trades that I don't show, it's normal Asia session, where if I'm going to just hold this all day, I answered and forgot. The trades that you can't see. Any other trades? But I would say mostly, like last 2 months, I take only on stream. I'm not sure about bank. Guys, I trade every single day. I don't care if it's bank holiday, if it's like, I don't know, like something. If it's rain outside, it's snow outside, I don't care. If I see setup, I trade. Seriously, I don't care. Unless no setup, I'm not going to execute. Yeah, like why had... probably because I didn't move a lot. I was trading, I was sitting all day. Need to move, guys. Oh, it's still wet here. I would say bank holiday always good price action. Need more to downside, please. Give us retracement so we can long this. And you're doing perfect job. I'm thinking about what should happen to confirm reversal. I'm bullish for the day, yes, but I don't mind to see retracement down to 700. Like, I don't mind to see Q dropping 80 points, maybe 100 points soon. I'm thinking about what I want to see on ES. Probably would like to see some shorts below this level. Let me just calculate the risk first. And Q needs to drop, guys, to this range. No matter what. I don't want to see this on ES as well. This range, that's why I don't want so long this, simply because I want to see we taking out this range. So, let's see. Because right now, no reason to, if you'll decide to try to short this to this range on ES, no reason to touch in Q at this point, because risk reward is going to be less than 1 hour. Our chart looks different. Why? Guys, when it's BS price action, I perform so well. If you watch me like for 2 years or more, you know this. When it's like shit price action, you know who you need to watch. Who's going to kill today. When it's textbook price action, guys, find someone else. I'm kidding, by the way. If it's going to close, probably it's gonna be short. This range, see? Target area, we will go there no matter what. I'm happy to be wrong, but this area like must be taken. I'm waiting for if price can break this level. So we do have low resistance. So if you will decide to short this, we will take partial somewhere inside this range. Waiting for 3-minute, maybe closure. Let's see. Gold, yeah, of course. I forgot about gold. That's my analysis, guys. Nothing changed since last week. This one. Still would like to see this one. I do want to see price filling weekly fair value gap. So 5,045 is what I want to see. I hope this week, but I don't know. Price just consolidating. I'm not fan of this, but it's just garbage. But I want to see guys we fill in weekly fair value gap. Dasha, I have a question. I submitted 2 days ago. Okay. If you didn't blow your account, no, you will be good. So, since you hit your daily loss limit, is your account still above the buffer or not? This one, I guess, main question. Don't be confused. We will see if we're going to get set up. Your buffer is your drawdown plus $100. So technically, if you have 50K account, your buffer is going to be above $52,100. So, and you want to take payouts above the buffer. Ideally. We all want to do this, right? Trading gold, I made a lot this year, but I stopped. Okay, I executed gold actually last week, and I got like 13 points or so with 5 micros. It's not bad, but it's not that great, if I can say so. So I'm waiting for the closure below this black line on 3-minute chart. I might give it a try. 10 points, stop loss, 5 micros can be a good play. Really good risk, affordable risk, $250. I like it. Or let's imagine, let me do it for now. Let's imagine price did not close below this black line, but at the same time on Q drop hard to my target area, reversal, retracement area, call this whatever you like. So we want to see reactions then. Right now, nothing. Just enjoy watching this job. Kind of decoupled right now. So, well, even if they're going to reject your payout, you just need to trade a bit more to build the buffer or something. Like they're going to send the reason of rejection. So you're good. Just wait. Let's see. Maybe they're going to approve this. Don't be worried about this. If something will happen, just trade more days. They're not going to close your account. It doesn't mean like if you got like if they reject your payout, your account is like breached or something like that. No. just trade a bit more. And requested in another 5 trading days. It's fine. So let's wait and see what will happen, okay? Don't worry right now. Oh, you passed? Congratulations! Wish you lots of payouts. Yeah, I mean, like nothing to do right now. You cannot change something like right now. Just wait and see what will happen. And Q, if you're not going to drop, we are not going to be friends today. I'm serious. Drop like 60 points lower. Please. We want to long this. I do like how ES trying to build low resistance liquidity run. So when probably good short soon. Good short soon. So we actually can try to short to long. Like, why not? Why not? And Q will go to 27,072. It's my weekly objective. Yes, I agree with you. So 27k, a bit more. 27,072. Actually, a nice number. But I want to see we're going there. Peter, you want to see previous daily? Bella, I'm going to send you some messages about Epic soon after stream. Okay. How are you, Bella? You in Japan? Consider news because I was watching news this morning. Trump saying like something bearish, but at the same time, Iran says like, "I never said this," and I'm like, what to expect? So I just stop watching news at this point. I'm going to stop watching this news because it doesn't make any sense. What Trump is saying completely opposite to what Iran says. So I don't know if I want to trust this, honestly. Yeah, we don't really know what is going on. But I want it to lower first. Okay. Guys, since we have over than 1,000 people, let me repeat this again because I said this at the beginning why I want to see retracement down first half of this week, but talking about longs because once again, we're intraday traders. We don't care about big moves. We need to get our like 50, 60 points on NQ. We need to get 20, 30 points on ES. We're done. Let me show you something. If you guys just joined, let me repeat why overall I want to see retracement down this week. Like ignoring SMT on high time frame, I don't want to talk about this right now. I want to pay your attention on this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See these bullish candles on weekly chart. Once again, it doesn't mean you need to open bullish weekly chart every single day. No, it's just a great example of this. So price inside strong bullish trend. And right now, what is going on with weekly candle? Nothing happened yet. You see like small weekly candle because once again, it's still accumulation phase. So what we want to see, like let's think in terms of candlestick formation. If we want to see continuation higher, since we have strong bullish trend, we want to see from like open, low, high, close. This forms bullish candlestick, right? And this move down, we call this manipulation, forms the wick of the candle. Right now we have small wick here, small wick here. This means we are not bullish, we are not bearish. Even if candle right now looks bullish, it means nothing. It's still accumulation, which means if we want to stay bullish, we want to see price, this candle stays above 50% of previous candle. So this great confirmation of bullish trend. But since it just market just opened, weekly candle just started forming, we want to see formation of wick first. And if I want to stay bullish, I really first half of this week want to see this manipulation to downside. I'm going to show you on NQ, but exactly same idea will apply for ES and YM and even RTY and even oil right now. Just oil opposite. So I want to see price will try to drop near 50% of previous weekly range, this blue line on my chart. So I highlighted 50% from high to low, from low to high, up to you. And if I want to stay bullish, I want to see an attempt to form the wick near 50% of previous weekly range. It can be between 25 and 50% of this week, because I really want to see we staying above 50% to see continuation higher. And just for now, since it's still bullish, nothing tells me like, well, Dasha, it's short, 100% short here. No, for continuation, and my weekly objective is going to be 27,000 on 72. At the beginning of the stream, I show you my projections. It's 4 standard deviation projection. Why I use projections? Because above all-time high, we have nothing. You can use OT extensions, manipulation-like projections, measuring gap projections, psychological institutional levels. Yeah, 27,000 on 72 is my weekly objective for now. I just have no idea how much time it will take to go there. But without it's once again overall for this week, without retracement to downside, looking at current weekly chart, at current candlestick, no way I'm going to long this. Talking about intraday, we do have, let me hide this. We do have some SMTs at this internal SMT. If I want to look for longs today, and I don't really mind to see like an attempt to retest all-time high, previous weekly high. Oh, look at NQ actually. I want to see retracement to downside, at least to OT, since we got internal SMT, we actually got double SMT. If price is going to respect OT, ideally on ES as well, I want to try to long today. Once again, I will be conservative. I don't need millions points on NQ or millions points on ES. I will take my 50, 100 points on NQ or 20, 30 points on ES and walk away. So if right now we're going to respect this area, I do like this so much, but I don't mind to see NQ, ES lower as well. Too bullish right now here. But low resistance tells me like we may drop a bit more than this target area. I can actually try to short to long later today. Since I'm going to stream PM session, maybe we will get in longs later. Depends what NQ will do right now. But NQ looks good, honestly. Long without using stop loss. I mean, I believe market not going to look bad. And right now it doesn't really look bad, just no setup here to trade. Guys, everything I said makes sense. Sorry for my accent if you're new on my channel, my bad. But I did my best. Just to make sure. Accent? Russian accent. I mean, sometimes it's really hard to understand this, that's why I'm saying this. Oops. I do trade every single day. Yes. Execute also everything on stream. Oh, projections. It was based on, I believe it was 15-minute chart. 1 second, I will show you. No, it was hourly chart. Talking about my projections, guys, you can copy these projections as well. So I used very last move down before a reversal. So technically this move down, like imagine we have candlesticks here. This move down, a reversal, forced condition here. The very last move down before reversal. Same for ES, I believe. Yes. The very last move down before reversal. See, Daniel? Got it? Oh, your wife is Russian? It's cool. Put these levels on your chart as well. Or just highlight 27,072 in your chart. Just like line. And 7253.25 on ES. Just highlight this as line. Like it's my highest level right now. Maybe we'll find something else, but hard to say right now. Okay, let's back to charts. On Friday, we got in longs on NQ and we picked right asset to trade, and we did good. We were in drawdown for just a little bit, but we got over than 115 points, I believe. Even more, I guess. Because we traded this setup on Friday and I closed at all-time high. Over here. This is what we traded on Friday. Good trade. Took some time, of course, to go to TP, but still good one. Guys, if you cannot see executions on your screen, this means I'm not in trade. I will show you everything. I mean, talking about executions. See nothing? So I show you, I usually, if you're new on my channel, when I am in trade, I show you this chart because I execute on Ninja Trader. I didn't even try this yet. Look how well. Look at this reaction. I mean, I understand everything, but... Frank, where are you? Mr. DMP, what is your real name? I need to know. I cannot, like, pronounce your... Mr. DMP 379. Why 379? What is your real name? Oh, okay, probably I'm going to go, like, with your real name, because... This one is funny, by the way. So I'm waiting for shift in structure. Probably if it's going to be long, it will be on NQ. Today's giveaway is going to be Tradify. Let me send you a link for a giveaway. We got sweep. But I do like the action from here. Let me see you back on MNQ. Link, guys, in the chat. It's same link for same giveaway. Let's see if NQ is going to turn bullish right now. So far, that's exactly what we wanted to see, right? That's exactly what we wanted to see. Waiting for 3-minute OB. I was waiting for 3-minute OB. We got 2-minute OB, not perfect one. Let's see how big. 1 second, guys. Just going to calculate something. I guess it's not worth it, right? $1.3. I don't like it yet. Nope. Don't like it yet. You give up so early. Never give up. Never ever give up. I don't see target. I mean, I don't see long entry on NQ yet. But overall 27,000. The problem is, like, if I want to long, it will be only on NQ. But another problem, horrible risk reward. Not worth it. You know, you don't need to change instruments. You see, guys, sometimes I execute YM, sometimes I execute oil, sometimes I execute ES or NQ. Just if I see my model like on another market, any other asset trades this. But I never understood and not going to understand this, why people stick to just one instrument. Like, why? For local, you're not late. We didn't take any trades yet. We're still waiting. Is it 10? Oh, it's not even 10 a.m. Come on, Silver Bullet not even started. Give us trade. Give us trade. No setups yet. Nothing. You missed nothing, so you're good. Market kind of not in sync. That's the issue. Cannot trade this. Well, I'm not going to lie right now. I'm not fan of longs yet. Yes, I trade only one strategy across all instruments for almost 2 years. Okay, not 2 years, but like 15 months, 16 months. Well, almost 2 years then. But yeah, I trade just one strategy and nothing else, and it works so good because we trade this together. I have twin sister, yes. Just want to say I am not fan of longs yet. That's me probably, but not fun. What's true? I have PDF, I have video. What do you prefer? Do you need PDF or you need like a video about this? Why not? Why not what? Both. Well, it's not a problem. Let's do this. Guys, don't type anything in the chat because I want to send you links. Okay? One second. Don't type anything because we're gonna lose second link. First, I'm going to send PDF. Then I'm going to send you video. Don't type anything in the chat. 1 second. It's going to be exactly the same PDF that I discussed in the video, but maybe it's going to be... Thank you. Now you can type. Maybe you're gonna watch this in like more PDF. First link, guys, PDF. Second link is video. You can download, you can print if you like. My voice is... Thank you so much. You're very welcome. Just do whatever you like with this. Also, I have... Let me send PDF about TJF. Guys, I'm going to send you PDF about TJF. Really good stuff here. Second, well, guys, this link right now in the chat, it's about PDF. Oh, TJF. PDF about TJF. Yeah, it's strategy I trade, yes. And only this one. I don't trade anything else. Yeah. I have lots of PDFs. So not fan of longs, guys. Just for information, not going too long yet. I do like low resistance liquidity run on yes. Seems solid. 6 points. We might take a trade soon, guys. I start liking this. Start selling? DVD. I mean, you know, I have some DVDs still. I know how to use them because, like, no way I'm going to find, like, things, like, to insert this, but... Yeah, we need NSYNC, yes. YM and ES trying their best right now. I still have lots of PDFs. I just switched to videos, but guys, every single video that I record on my YouTube has PDF. Just for your information. I can actually convert this video, I can actually send you PDF about New York Midnight Open and OT. Right? Oh, call me whatever you like. Dasha, Lumi, like, I don't really care about this. It's fine. Yes, I'm going to Steam PM session today on Tradify TV. Not full name, yes. Please, no. No. Midnight Open. I have video about this. How old is me? I am more than 26. Guys, oh, you can let me send you a video about my strategy. So this video like 50 minutes long. It doesn't mean like you need to watch 50 minutes simply because I included backtest there. That's why. Let me see. We might take a trade soon, I think. But only yes. She's 16. Yeah, in my soul. I look like 16. You know, when I was on Ninja Trader Meetup, lots of people told me this. I mean, I don't mind this. I just sent link about video. Here, it's on my YouTube. Stay away. I'm old? I feel like I'm really young. I already told you like many times. I feel like I'm 18 in my soul. Seriously, guys. I still keep saying like I'm a kid. I am a kid. I still believe in this. Oh, wait. I'm not old. It's not different glasses. Same ones, see? Well, I was about to. Sorry, I was about to break them. I seriously feel so young. It's good. I never was chat a member. No, from YouTube. And only from YouTube. Come on, 1 minute left, guys. Probably we're gonna take trade in 1 minute. Are you old enough to trade? Yes. Ah. $71. Oh, I don't have midnight new. Oh, thank you for reminding me, Dasha. How you forgot about this? Where's New York midnight? Oh, I do like this. Looks good to me. Yeah. If it's going to drop there, I appreciate this so much. Let me actually pull this up. Well, I was lying about 1 minute, waiting for more, guys. We keep waiting. NQ will see 27,072 this week as well. Preferably, okay, this week. Not going to say like exactly because I cannot see the future, but this week. Waiting for silver bullet. Gave us trade. 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 It's dry right now. Funny because I started the stream with wet hair. I was like, I forgot to wash my hair this morning and I washed 10 minutes before the stream. I was like, well, going to sit with wet hair on my stream. And Q right now, kind of middle asset. Don't touch this. Wait for either YM or ES. And Q, if you see setup on Q, probably the risk reward is going to be less than 1 hour or around so. So we want to get a bigger risk reward. Let's wait. No, actually, I execute sometimes right after market open. It really depends. Sometimes I execute at 9:35, sometimes I execute at 10, sometimes I execute at 11. It totally depends. I cannot say I'm really like stick to like time window, like certain time window. Not really. Not really. Truly believe model I trade works. It works always, but we need to have some volume for this. What about oil? Oil kind of choppy. No, I want to see some retracement soon. So I'm actually try to short below 71.50 for 20 points. We may try to short soon, guys. I think it's gonna be good trade. A bit choppy right now, it's okay. But below 71.50 we may give it a try. Stop loss less than 10 points. Really good and affordable risk. We trying to stay below 10 AM open. We got an attempt to retest this level. You know, I sometimes hold for 5 minutes. I just enter the trade and it immediately goes in my favor. Sometimes you hold in 4 hours to get our target. Depends. Depends. Wow, kind of shit right now on ES, on NQ and YM. Guys, I show you every single execution I take. I might take a trade soon. I will show you. Right now, I kind of want to be patient. I do like shorts below 71.50. We'll aim for 71.30. Stop loss will it will be like around 2 R, maybe 1.7 R. It works for me. Too early. Too early. We want to look for break below 71.50. I want to get this. I will try to short, not yet. Risk camera. Hey. Not in trade yet. It's my plan right now, but probably will short ES below 71.50. NQ right now middle asset. And NQ already hit level where I wanted to see longs, but the problem is ES. It's trying to build low resistance liquidity run, and it still has room to go lower because we have like lots of unmitigated untapped levels. Guys, I mean, definitely it can be just straight up without my retracement, but if no model, no trades. I mean, I'm okay to miss setup. I'm not okay to force a trade without setup. I'm okay to miss move, not setup. I'm okay to miss the move, but I'm not okay to trade simply because I need to trade. Well, nothing yet. My lips so dry. Yeah, like no worries, guys. We're gonna get something. Especially I'm going to Team PM session. If like not now, then later. Like no way it's not going to offer opportunity during the day. It will. Just need to be patient. 50% for new users on Lucid, 40% off for existing users. 40% also good deal. If you want to try Lucid, try Flex. You're gonna like it. Soon, guys. We're about to get a trade. At least I just have levels on ES to execute. Come on. So this one, I guess. Shorts below. How? It's like 2R. What can be better than this? Let's see. Maybe we're gonna get in trade soon. We'll trade around like 5-6 micros. How much my risk is going to be? I want to try soon, guys. 1 second. Just going to calculate risk real quick. Yeah, around like $300 will be good to try. Let's see, guys. Might try soon because it broke my level. Would like to get this trade. Please don't drop right now. Let's see, guys. Start liking this because it broke 71.50. Seriously? Oh, look at 1 second, guys. Going to show you something. Look at this. Look at this. We don't have a single fair value gap on 15-minute chart. Isn't that wild? That's wild. Displacement below 71.50, guys, I will enter. I will show you, I mean, it's my idea. We'll trade around like 6 micros because this will be a good one. Yeah, right? Logically, retracement makes sense. Lots of people want to see New York midnight open. Probably I will agree with you, but I will be conservative. We'll aim for 71, told you. Let's see. Oil kind of bullish. Probably it's good for us. Let's see. If it's going to break and displace below 71.50, guys, I will short. We'll place short position right at below 71.50, around so. Well, overall bullish, but low resistance liquidity run on yes, I don't know. I do like to see retracement to downside. We call market makers only when we in trade. That's it. But phone is here. See? In case we're gonna enter, I'm gonna call. I promise. Let's see if it's going to break below 71.50. I will try. I calculated with 6 micros, my risk is going to be $277. It's so good risk. Yeah, not in rush. Even if I'm like my entry position early, I'm risking like $277. So I will have room to risk again. Because I trade in 150k accounts, 277, like it's nothing, but really worth to try. With opportunity to make like 500, 600 bucks. I like it. It's a good one. Hello, George. I will short below 71.50. That's my plan. The risk affordable, so why not? Like, it's like nothing yet, but it will be my trade idea. Hello, doing good. Not trades yet. My short target will be 71.30. I think so. Remember, guys, I told you like lots of mosquitoes bite me on Friday. It's so bad right now. It hurts so bad. I mean, I'm still alive. This means it's not that bad, but it hurts so bad. I bought after bite cream, but damn. This one doesn't really help, but at least not itching. You're asking for too much? Yeah, thank you so much, yeah. They're cute, especially when they sleep. When they don't sleep, not that cute. Still alive. Damn, they bite me here, like over here, on my legs, on my pinky finger. It just over here as well. I just went outside, guys, for a small walk. Apple cider vinegar. Oh, I have this at home. It's gonna help. Damn, it's so chappy, but at the same time, really want to try. Stop the chop. Stop the chop. I know, like, it's really good risk. Maybe I should try give it first attempt. But because, like, there is a chance I'm early because of chop, but at the same time, 270. I don't know. I like it, but a bit choppy to me. I do like the CL looks slightly bullish. Yes, it's the one-time evaluation fee on Apex, but your account will be valid for 30 days only. I want to enter at the break, but at the same time, $277, it's really affordable. So in case I'm too early, I can trade again, like at the break above this level. See this low resistance? I refuse to believe it's going to leave this. Look at NQ, trying to be bearish. I'm thinking to give it a try with $270 risk. And if I'm early to the enter position above, then I'm open. Sounds like a plan. Right? Look, checking OT reaction from RTH gap. Damn, it's short. I see short right now. I think I want to give it a try. First try with this affordable risk. And if I'm early, guys, I'm so sorry about this. I will re-enter again. Let's see if it's going to give me opportunity. No break yet. But guys, I will give it a try, I think. My entry will be below 71.50. Give me a trade. Market makers, I'm ready. Below 71.50, I'm not going to full port, but I'm going to enter. Give me a trade. Give me a trade. Give me a trade. I prepare contracts. See how it's, guys, see how it's fighting with 71.50? Break this level. I will enter. I promise. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I know we can do this. No? I'm interested only on yes right now. I know I'm going to short below 71.50, 100% for 20 points. It's like, okay, it's first trade idea for me. Another trade idea will be this one. Just let's say it decided to break this level. Exactly the same idea. Exactly the same target will be here. That will be second attempt. Let's see which one is going to play out. I don't mind first one because I'm already waiting for like 90 minutes. But in case I will be like too early, I will try again this one. I would say it's an okay price action, just a bit slow. First one, please. Yes, please. We don't want to wait for too long. And I will give it a try with first trade idea. And in case like we are early, I will try again with second trade idea. Let's see. For micro ES, June contract, M. We'll short below, just leaving notes right now. We'll short below 71.50. TP 71.30. Stop loss 71.60. It's exactly to our idea. Let's see. But I do like this idea. It looks good to me. So, you know, where is this cream? It helps for some time, this one. It helps for some time. Not bad. But guys, it's not shit today. I believe it's just a bit choppy right now, but it's going to be solid. I never seen like it's going to be shit all day. Right now it's preparing setup. We're gonna wait. Short on oil? Was it good? No, guys, we're gonna get trade. Come on, yes, you can do this. Nope, you can't. You could at least. MMXM only. Remember what my offer? It's still like same. Don't be shy to ask in case you need help or something. I mean, yes, it's consolidation right now. We're not in a rush. We have two trade ideas. One of them should play out, and we will enter this trade. I will short below 71.50. I already prepared my contracts to execute immediately. We'll trade on my all accounts. Risk is going to be $270 if I enter where I want to enter. Affordable. First trade idea, short below 71.50. Another trade idea, we're breaking above. Yeah, somewhere like near the top of new week opening gap. This one. Yeah, right now in Q middle asset, we don't want to trade in Q. Right now we have option to execute either ES or YM. That's it. You can wait for me if you want. Once I enter the trade, I will show you immediately. But if you see setup now, but I don't see this, like, don't wait for me. I use Replikanto. I'm going to copy over 30 accounts today. I know, like, some people experience issue copying over 20 accounts on Replikanto because they suggest to copy, like, up to 20 accounts. But, you know, sometimes I copy 35 accounts and have no issue. Yeah, I'm going to create PDF and video about how to pick right asset to trade. Right now, in Q, like, definitely middle asset. What's the price for that level where you want to short from? Like, above 71.65? Just let me know. I'm going to highlight this level on my chart. Because I'm looking probably at the top of new week opening gap for opportunity in case it's not going to be presented now. Of course, even there is potential liquidity sweep on 30-minute and hourly charts, still good to trade the depends. So when you see bullish trend, right, at this point, you really want to analyze several markets, which is either, let's say you see setup on ES, you want to see how NQ and YM right now looking. They're looking still bullish, like any signs of reversal, any shorts right now. If yes, if your answer yes, I see, for example, YM and Q also trying to reverse right now off high time frame level, so your setup can play out. Even if it's going to be retracement, that's perfectly fine, it can play out. But if, for example, you see 30-minute sweep, 3-minute LB, everything perfect, we hit high time frame level on ES, but at the same time, we inside bullish trend, and YM and Q still bullish, remember why we longed on Friday and Q, but at the same time, we saw short setup? Simply because ES and YM, they were bullish. And we were like, well, even if we have 30-minute sweep right now on NQ, probably it's going to fail. That's why we decided to try to long this. And we got 100 points on Friday. Well, guys, let's see. Make sense? Waiting for stop. Yeah, you're very welcome. Guys, sometimes I'm waiting for 2-3 hours to get in trade. It's hard, it's painful, but we're doing good. And guys, I don't trade mini contracts if you're new on my channel. I do have 30 plus funded accounts, which I execute on, I trade these accounts on stream. And my risk normally for these accounts, not more than $400. So on this first attempt, since it's kind of like, I will risk less. I will risk $250, $270, so I'm going to calculate my contract size accordingly. So if I was like 100 million% sure exactly in this setup, but there is chance to go slightly higher, I would right now trade it like, not, let's say, not 5 micros, but like 13 micros. But right now my plan is to try to short below 71.50 with smaller contracts, because still there is a chance to pump slightly higher. So I want to risk less. Let's see, trying to break. I start liking this. Looking good, starting looking good. YM also looks good. See, once again, back to 71.50, stuck there. But once again, I will start with 5 micros. Okay, let's try. So, entered 5 micros. Risk in $232. See, guys, my risk is twice less, simply because I anticipate to see slightly higher. Five micros only, so I'm risking $232. Do like this volume of balance. Oops. How many contracts I said? Okay. Still, there is a chance to go higher, and I understand this risk right now, so I will give it a second try over here. Guys, I'm okay to take losses if they are according to my plan. I just entered. You can see here how much I'm risking and how much I want to make, but I will take partial. It's still respecting 71.50, and guys, I'm okay to take this risk. But I feel it's really worth it because we retraced to 10 AM open and price decided to stay below this level. So that's my potential partial level. Oh, it's exactly 10 points, by the way. Oh, magnets, damn, forgot. Which level we aiming for? 40s? Let's see if my first attempt is correct. If not, then we will give it a second try. Who are we to give up? I just realized we were close to my first CP. What level we took? It created... It's like equalos? Can I make this like a dash line? Sorry, guys. Yes. Okay. Now just wait and see how it's going to play. Did I put right color, guys? I don't remember. Why? Which time frame is that? Oh, it's 5-minute chart. Well, makes sense. Da-da-dum, da-da-dum. Give us TP, or market is a scam. TP, TP. Guys, вместе, вместе. Sorry, speaking Russian. You together. TP, TP in the chat now. Now in the chat, you type TP. Otherwise, market is a scam, it's scam, it's scam, and it's scam. TP now or market is a scam. TP, TP, TP. First TP is like really conservative. TP, TP, TP. Stop loss. I'm going to block you for 5 minutes. 5 minutes block Hussein stop loss because are you crazy? You have to be here to support me, to say like, Dasha, we believe in you no matter what. You are right. You're like, stop loss? Stop loss? 5 minutes block. And not friends for 10 minutes. After first TP, we're gonna trail stop loss. 10 points for first TP. Let's see. Let's see, guys, if it's going to play out. Russian word for CP. Come on. I do like equalos that it's trying to form right now. Guys, if it's going to be stop loss, it's going to be your fault. I'm going to blame you, not my analysis. Because of like 2 scammers in the chat who saying it's going to be stop loss. It's going to be your fault. Don't be shy. First CP like looks good. Especially 10 points. Come on, what are you doing? Just 3 more points. We need 10 points TP. After this, we will trail stop loss. Trail stop loss. Blah blah blah, cannot talk. 100% building liquidity. Will drop more. I got good entry, right where I wanted to see. Let me actually take 75% position off at this level. We'll close 3 contracts of my 5 contracts at 7140.50. Can you see my target levels, guys? 7140.50, my first TP. We'll close 3 of my contracts there. 3 of there. Oops, there. But whatever, you got it. Look at this low equal lows. Come on. The second attempt, I know if it's going to fail, I will enter more contracts because no way it's going to leave this. Yeah, TP, 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 TP. You know, our issue right now, and no one told me this, we need to have bigger magnets because maybe it's like Monday, maybe they cannot see my target. Mom. 7140.50, that's all I ask. Please. Give us this setup, please. I don't like equalos, but at the same time, I do like, because we will go there later in case this one for some magical reason will decide to fail. But it's funny, but we have equal highs as well. What the heck is going on InQ? I'm going to move at break-even right after first TP. I'm willing to lose in case I'm early because my risk is affordable. Like I'm only risking $270, even less, $230. So I'm willing to lose in case like I'm early. Just I don't want to move at break-even too early because my entry is just like it's okay to retest this. Yeah. I'm okay with any result here. I know I'm going to re-enter in case I'm early. That's why I always try with small position first, but my reward is going to be a good one. Risk should be small. Or I'm going to increase risk on like high probability stuff, better setup. Better setup is going to be here. But I still like this one. No complaints. I know I will trail to break even right after first TP. My TP at 71.40.50. I forgot to read the chat. 1 second. Where's red phone? Over here, already got a call. There's to Tradify. They're quite the same. So it's really hard. I trade both. It's really hard to say which one is better. Honestly. I always... Damn. Guys, break even now. Best one. Best one. W. I knew this. 10 points locked. They're the best. I know. Okay, 2 micros left, guys. My final TP will be at 71.31. Lower. It's because of my magnets, of course. No. How to pick all of them? Oh. Patience space. I told you guys, be consistent. Be consistent, no matter what. And we pick right asset to trade again. Guys, break even 100 millions% right now. Just let it run. Final TP at 71.31.25. 71.31.25, that's for me. That 2 micros left. I already locked like good profit here. Across 35 accounts. Right now, let's delete these magnets. We should sell, magnet courses. Expensive. But yeah. Let's see if it's going to... My target slightly higher. I put like 4 ticks higher over here. We can actually... Okay, guys, let's take one more contract at this liquidity level at 70. I'm going to type in the chat. Put your... It's friendly advice. Put your TP number 2 at this level. 71.34.75. Friendly recommendation. Let's close one more contract there. And why not? And we will trail... If it's going to hit, we will trail stop loss to this swing high at 71.48. Okay? I like it. Yeah, 35 accounts. And you know, I like there is like slightly different feel. It's not bad. It's okay. I like it. Guys, did you get second TP? 71.34.75. It's my second TP. Just want to close one country because liquidity level definitely can give us reaction. What kind of news week we got here? That's interesting. Whatever it was. What happened at 9:10 today? Who knows? Okay, I'm gonna trail my stop loss, I guess. A bit lower. See? This blue line, guys, we took partials there. See how we stuck? We just stuck at this level. It's magic. It's magic. We really, right now, close at the bottom. Current bottom. Yeah, just my god levels. This one, it's free. I have free indicators. It calls ICT Height from candles by FADI. This one. All you need to do just change colors. So what this indicator does, it just highlights height from candles. So you don't need to jump between time frames. So if you're on lower time frame, you can link in the chat. You can see height from candles right next to lower time frame chart. Correct your target. Which level? It's my target. I mean, it's up to you. It's my target. It can be like different with your targets. I'm okay with this. I sent my targets in the chat, but I already closed, guys, 3 contracts at this blue line. If you just joined, guys, we already took partial. Damn, what happened? Where was our partial? Who do you remember here? Gonna make this bigger. We're already in profit today. Yeah, happy for guys. That's why I said this day is just okay. You just need to be patient and plan the trade, trade the plan. That's it. We planned this trade, we traded this plan. I don't care if it was chub before. Like, if you know what you want to execute, you will do nice. Always. It's fine. Now I'll just wait. I will drink some water. You saw I was confident. I was willing to lose as well. I was in with 5 micros. 2 contracts left. This one is going to change. It's like by default. Once this contract taken, it's going to change to 1. Don't worry about this. We locked 10 points, and I expected to get reaction from blue line. This one is good. Let me show you NQ real quick, guys. Look at NQ. See how we're fighting inside this target area? So good. I was discussing this with my husband last Friday, saying like, you know, I feel so bad because I started feeling so confident with my trading. And you know, like, it feels so strange because you're always confident with your executions. And you're like, I know it's going to play out. Like, and I said, like, I feel bad about this because what the heck? It's just cool. But this is what I said to my husband, like, when we were driving to Miami. I said, like, that's weird feeling because I always confident with my trades. And I always say, like, no way it's not going to play out. No way, like, market is a scam. Like, it's funny, right? Even today I said, like, damn. This target with this blue line must be taken no matter what. I cannot even explain why, just because it needs to be taken. Like many trades you see, guys, I cannot even explain them. Just like, trust me, bro. It should play out. Just because, yes. Sometimes I explain like this, just because it needs to go here. Why? I don't know why, just because. Yeah, just trust me, bro. And Q kind of trying right now to give us reaction from my target area, but still no confirmation. Daniel, see, I cannot even explain why. Just because. But I don't remember why. It was actually flat candle, I guess, because I treated this as OB. This one. That's funny, right? Happy with executions and happy with guys. We took our first TP really at the bottom right now. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that wild? Maybe just because it needs to go there. We can get more trades, I guess, today. Let's see how my runner is going to play out. Still like left a bit room to downside. Damn, it was stick away from my... No comment. Trump, where are you where you need us? Say something stupid and trap to my TP. Please. Market, I would say yes, it's changed, but even ICT said we need to adjust ourselves to new market conditions. Maybe you need to adjust your model to new market conditions. Guys, I mean, I know this. I blew lots of... Thank you, Trump. Hey! Hey! Damn. Fuck. Wow. Guys, best. Best ever. We're so good. You know? We're so good. Did I say we're good? Of course. Damn. Huge, lots of millions of W's in the chat right now. We're so good. Damn, we're good. Thank you, Trump. I don't know what you said, but damn, we're good. See the stop loss placement? It was stick away. I mean... Well... We're damn good. That's what I want to say, guys. Look... Yeah, Michael, thank you for everything. Yeah, we kill it. Decision, guys. Yeah, I mean, I initially didn't get feel because of this week. Probably bid and ask was. Look at that week, right? Straight to my magnet. Wow. You didn't stop at break even? I hope so. Yeah, guys, we killed this today. I told you it's great price action. Just need to be patient. We got nice feel. That's funny because, like I said, Trump, where are you where you need us? And in like minute after this, Trump posted something and we got TP. Ah, yeah, we killed the 7. No, okay, not every single day. Sometimes I take classes, but it's good. Finally, we dropped where I wanted. I mean, like, jokes aside, it's really, I know, it's kind of really hard to trust Trump, but This moves market. Well, we win like a lot. We are consistent, guys, but you need to keep in mind we cannot win every single day. Like, it's impossible to win every single day, but we're doing our best. Our win rate is good on streams. We're consistent, it's good. Well, I'm not sure, like, Michael has video about Six Sister, but needs to something else, because sometimes it's really hard. Michael, you need to record video about how to pick right asset to trade. Maybe you're going to explain this better than me. From what I saw, it's NQ. I said we're not going to touch NQ simply because it's kind of middle asset. And I said if we're going to execute on NQ, risk reward is going to be less than 1 hour. I was probably right, it was like around 1 hour. But since YM and I told you can pick YM if you want, but since YM and ES, they were in premium, so we want to pick this one because at this point we can get better risk reward. See your tweet? I'm gonna look at this right now. Because you're gonna explain this better than me. I'm gonna repose this, I guess. Oh, I like... Michael, you took this on NQ? Wild. That's amazing, amazing trade. You executed really, like, you added to your position really at the top of each retracement. How did you know about this? Oh, you got fill on this week as well. Wild. We kill it. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. This hard session simply because you need to survive inside this job. But do you want to agree with me that ES was slightly better? Like a bit better picture, a bit more obvious, or just me? I feel like maybe it's... I know. It's hard simply because it was slow, but just... And no, ES looked a bit better. Just probably slow, but that's season. Where we wanted to short again first. We wanted to short first here if it's going to close below this level. Well, it did not close, we shorted another retracement. Yeah, just kind of maybe easier because risk reward was better. I think so. But YM also was good trade. Like you could pick. Because it was in sync with ES. I think it was better. I mean, it wasn't better. ES and YM. Two instruments to trade. Two good instruments to trade. We were like... I guess we were in drawdown like for a couple of seconds. 1 tick, 2 ticks in drawdown. We got nice feel. Oh, it was like 3-minute OB? SMT at highs. We got internal SMT here. Price fell to take 10 AM open. Logically made sense to drop. We wanted to see retracement. Guys, our plan since like we started stream, it was this one, right? We wanted to lower. We were just patient enough. Well, why I picked this one? It was flat candle. It was displacement candle. So I picked this candle as OB simply because we got flat candle and displacement here. I didn't enter here, you remember this? I entered over here, so once price fell to take 10 AM open, I was like, rejection from 10 AM open, we already got closure below this flat candle. We should try, but I told you at the beginning, I'm willing to lose and re-enter again. If I'm like too early. I know, it just made sense to try this. Sometimes it's really hard to explain, just I feel like it should play out. Yes, we got SMT over here, right at 10 AM open with ES, with YM and NQ. It was another confirmation. Yeah, risk wasn't bad. I told you our risk was $230 with 5 micros. But the reward was 2R. Take it. Why not? On Monday, it's good money. Even like if you decide to enter like with, let's say 7 contract, this could be less than $400. Also, a really affordable trade. So guys, executed this trade on my all accounts. So Epix, TPT, Lucid, E8 Futures, Tradify. They're running right now nice sales. 90% off expires this week on Epix. I have 20 funded accounts. He knows this, guys. I always show them. 90% off, really great deal. So you're gonna get account for $25, 50K account, and you need to pay activation fee, but 30 days account, so basically $25 to practice. I would say like new Epix plan really solid. If you want to learn more about new Epix plans, go on my YouTube. I have a review about on this. I still have legacy plan, just for your information. We passed this accounts in September 2025. I still trade with legacy accounts. But even if something happens and I'm going to blow my 20 fund accounts, I will pick intraday trading drawdown. I just like it. Okay, you trade with Lucid and Tradify. You definitely want to try Take Profit Trader and E8 Futures. I started trading E8 Futures last month. So far, I have great experience. They changed this. Depends on account type. If it's intraday or end of the day. End of the day drawdown is going to be around like $110 activation fee. For intraday, it's less, like 99. Yeah, but I have a vals with Lucid as well, just in case I'm going to blow black. I will have past flex. I want to trade with flex, you know, guys. I don't see reversals yet. But from my bottom of my heart, guys, if you never ever traded with Take Profit Trader, you want to try this. It's one of the best prop firms. Does not have okay, TPT has consistency on evals, but no on funded. Also on capped payouts. Take everything above the buffer. Well, first, if I will decide to go, let's say like something happened, I blew my 20 Epix accounts. I know like what should happen, but let's say this happened. Right now they have Epix has minimum profit per day to count as trading day. If I'm not mistaken, it's $250 on end of the day and $200 on intraday. So since it's less on intraday and I never had issue, never ever blew my accounts because of intraday drawn down, I will try to go with intraday because my daily profit will be less. Buffer, you know, when you don't have buffer, like after first payout, like almost no accounts survive. That's why I don't like to take payouts without buffer, because you have huge risk to blow account. Because your drawdown is way less. Dasha, if I choose Lucid with a rhythmic, So far you can add only TradeAway to your TradingView, but if you're going to pick, let's say you can trade 5 accounts. So let's say you're going to pick 2 rhythmic and 3 TradeAways. It's okay, you can trade like this. And still rhythmic and TradeAway you can connect to your NinjaTrader, just through different connections. Yeah, I would say Epix really worth it because it's cheap evals, great practice, because if you want to compare how you feel when you trade paper money and how you feel when you trade eval, it's a bit different, right? Because at least you spent money on this eval. You already feel slightly different. But yeah, my risk was the same. I took exactly the same contract size on all accounts. I never ever tried TradeZella yet. I don't need this simply because I have fund accounts. But I see lots of people enjoy this. It's similar to TradingView. People love it. So, I don't know. You guys know, I hate to switch between platforms. I trade everything on my NinjaTrader, my perfect, beautiful NinjaTrader. So, that's why I don't want to try like Project X. I don't like to try to trade on TradeZella simply because I need to jump between platforms. Guys, if you don't know how to connect accounts to NinjaTrader, let me show you how you can do this because I have a tutorial about this. So in this video, I showed exact layout I have, how I copy my accounts, how I put like all tabs on my screen. Oh, look at this drop. Don't change? I mean, I don't change this for almost 2 years. We're only trying to improve this. That's pretty much it. Yeah, I know. You can try TradeZella and Lucid as well. Just let me know. You want Tradify? Or Lucid. And you can try and Lucid as well. They also have it. Yes, you can connect. Watch this video, guys. I show you how I connect different accounts. How to do this. How to copy this account. Damn, this drop. I mean, I don't feel we closed early, but it's going to OT. Damn, according to the plan, what can be better to trust your than trust your analysis? Guys, if you didn't know, quick advertisement. I mean, I'm not going to sell uni courses. I have my website. And don't tell me like there are many different comparison websites. I don't care about this. It's mine. So you can compare your prop firms here. That's the list that I recommend to trade. I trade with these prop firms. I have Pro Tools, how to calculate, where's my Pro Tools? Over here. How to calculate contract size, drawdown simulator. It shows the difference between intraday and end of the day. Consistency rule calculator. I have economic calendar here. I have futures contract and price per contract here. I have this one in case you interested in learning ICT, because this is how I did this. I put proper list, like I put the list here of videos that I highly recommend to watch in proper order, because you know ICT has lots of videos on his YouTube channel. So I put not every single video, but only important videos that I recommend to watch in proper order from foundation to advanced. Let me send you a link, by the way. If you want to learn ICT, I do have TradeThinker, but I'm okay with Replikanto. So once you complete it, just click here. You can leave notes here, what you learned. Then you could go to second section here, watch videos here, leave notes. You can leave notes under each section if you want. So just highly recommend to spend your time on this playlist. Once again, it's not every single ICT YouTube video. It's only that I recommend to watch from the beginning to advanced. This one is good. I mean, MMXM, I have TradeThinker subscription. It's good when you have Mac. Give a link 1 second. It's good when you have Mac. Guys, if you want to enter giveaway, 7 minutes left. I just realized this. Guys, I'm humble trader. I always say, like, if you don't trust me, what I'm saying, just look at performance for the last, I don't know, 8 months to see how I trade. Just don't trust what I say, just look. And I truly believe I'm consistent on streams. Yes, I take classes sometimes, but I show you how I manage these classes. And I show you how I don't blow my accounts. Lower target, I don't have lower. It can be New York Midnight Open, I guess, on ES. But you know, the issue is inside OT. Okay, I want to see lower. Like maybe 7120 will be TP. But inside this OT, I do want to see some reaction to upside. Tanya, you still holding? What is your final TP? Like New York Midnight Open, probably. You know, like ES loves this level. 20. On YM, low resistance, equal lows. I'm not sure about YM. You holding on YM right now? I don't know. Maybe like 400? Not sure. I don't know. Then you call on market makers. Funny because on NinjaTrader Meetup, lots of people knew me simply because of this phone. Not because of my trading. Like, why? You have to know me, like, because I trade. Not because I use a thread phone. Okay, guys, you have 5 more minutes to enter giveaway. Also, CL looked bullish, so it was really hard to long indices. Peter, I'm not interested in longs yet, but where ES right now, it can give us reaction soon. Just don't blindly enter long simply because we hit 50%. On copy trading, guys, this link. I explain how I copy trade. I show you every single options. Oh, it's my alarm. I show you options, so how to group trade on TradeAway, how to do this on NinjaTrader as well. I will stream PM session on Tradify TV. Yes, at 1:30 PM. Okay, guys, 4 more minutes. Come on. I know you want to try to win Tradify select accounts. And Maximon, send me a message today after stream, okay? For giveaway or for NinjaTrader? For giveaway here, but for NinjaTrader right above links for giveaway. You have feeling that you're going to win today? Wish you good luck, maybe. Let's see. Hope so. Let me start. Oh, NinjaTrader. Yeah, sure. One more time. Here, this link. Watch this. So in this video, I show you like how connect accounts, how to create charts, how to do ATM strategy, how to copy. I show exact layout I have now. Just change background of charts or leave this like it is, like what it is. You're very welcome. After stream, like in 10 minutes, send me a message in 10 minutes. Or now I'm going to reply after stream. You know what I'm going to ask. Oh yeah. All my connections is TradeAway connection. Yes, of course, you can connect TradeAway to your NinjaTrader. This is what I do. How to enter. Click this link. Scroll down, fill this form. That's it. 2 more minutes, guys. I know you can do this. Let's go. If you're new on the channel, guys, I do giveaways every single day. Every single day. I'm going to update the page. Don't worry, guys. In just 2 minutes, I'm going to update the page. Okay, time for nails. Let me add oil because it's so dry right now. Daniel, I believe you won twice. Oil, look at this, with flowers, see? And it smells like peach. I like everything that smells like peach. With flowers there, see? Also, guys, you know, I love to smell my sunscreen. It just... Yeah, guys, don't laugh, but... Ow! If you're going to break my nail, I'm going to hate you. My desk. Yeah, thank you. Guys, you ready? You have 1 more minute to enter. Oh, no, I'm lying. 50 seconds. How to put magnets? I don't know. I don't know yet. Yeah, right? Heard it back. What the heck? I was trying to open the refrigerator last week and I broke my nail. I felt sorry for this refrigerator right after this. Well, time. It's time. That's it. Ready, guys? Let me update one more time. And one more time. Okay, let's start. Wish you good luck. If you're not going to win today, we will win tomorrow. Do it quick. Exactly. Here or not here? That's who won. If you're not going to respond within 48 seconds, I'm going to pick. I see you. I see you. Let's go. Next one. It was fast. It was fast. Scam, stop it. Practice. Oh, I know who is this. Yay! Can you trade Tradify account in your country? You deserve this. If not mistaken, you're from India, right? Are you allowed to trade Tradify there? Yes? Okay, just to make sure. Okay, just to make sure. You know, like sometimes there's issue. I just noticed. Okay, great. Well, congratulations, guys. I will see you today at 1:30 p.m. on Tradify TV. I'm gonna stream with girls. It's going to be girls stream again. Love you guys. We're the best, of course. We're always the best. Like, no matter what, we're the best. Guys, I do giveaways every single day. You know this. I'm doing my best. I already did like over 100 giveaways every single day. Sometimes twice a day. See you just in 2 hours. I need to clean my house right now because, guys, I wasn't at home for 3 days and I forgot to put my dishes to dishwasher. It smells so bad when I entered home. Thank you, Michael. It smells so bad. I need to like clean my house. I have 3 bags of clothes that I need to after like my washer machine. Love to be girl, love to be woman. It's so good. Well, I will see you in 2 hours. I'm going to clean my house right now. Everything smells not great. Who is it? Oh, it's from hospital. Guys, I will see you. I need to schedule my appointment for doctor. I will see you soon in 2 hours. Love you. You're the best.
Welcome to Funded.now, the ultimate hub for futures prop traders. On Funded.now, you can compare prop firms side by side, account to account, firm to firm, with powerful filters that help you find the exact account that fits your strategy. Trade micros? Hate consistency rules? Want EOD drawdown? Just set the filters and find your perfect match in seconds. You can also use built-in tools like the consistency rule calculator, lot size calculator, and drawdown simulator to plan before you risk real capital. Check which prop firms are available in your country, track your trading expenses, and stay updated with the economic calendar. All in one place. Stop guessing. Start choosing smart. Go to funded.now and find the prop firm that fits you.